Hello friends! Welcome to Squared Plans. I'm Stephanie and today we're going to be setting up our horizontal planners for the first week of 2021, you guys. So I've got this sticker roll that I picked up on clearance at Michael's with some cute circle stickers that I plan on using. And I also have these sticker books which I pulled from. So this week I decided to do just a nice calming, relaxing theme just because I just got off of vacation or will be getting off of vacation, and I just wanted to keep those kind of mellow vibes going into 2021. I did do a wax paper theme off camera. I was just doing this while I was on vacation, kind of chilling out, and so I kind of did it all and designed it all. So this is going to be a really fast video, unfortunately. However, you will be able to kind of see the layering and things that I did and some techniques I have for sliding stickers off of wax paper all at once, which I'm showing you now. The technique I'm using here to get those stickers off is just sliding it from the paper and easily peeling back the wax paper as I go. This is a really awesome technique if you like to do wax paper spreads as well, kind of give you a chance to pre-plan and then lay down the stickers all at once, especially if the stickers are touching. It makes it a lot easier to move stickers over all in one piece. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I decided to do kind of a centered design this week. I took a bunch of box stickers and circle stickers and then added in a few florals, mainly from the Modern Farmhouse sticker book, and just kind of created a cluster of decor there in the center of layered stickers. And I really like this. I did this once before with a floral layout, which I will link above in case you want to check out that video as well. It just came out really nice, and there's still plenty of room for functionality, but little collage of items to look at for the week, and also can be useful and functional with the boxes and other stickers I've added in there. So I just kind of went with this olive green tone and black for the most part, with those two pictures of coffee in the corners. That again, just kind of going along with that relaxing, moody vibe that I'm going for to start off my year. I used elements from both that Modern Farmhouse sticker book, the old school farmhouse sticker book, and a few other items here and there just to kind of complete the look of things. Now going into my Arteza stash to try to find a pen that will match up with the color scheme I have here, so that I can find a pen that will work here for my checklists. I really enjoy having checklists to keep that functionality going on my spreads, and I also like it to match. You guys know I like my color schemes to be really clean, and so that's what I'm going into now. I finally deboxed my 100 pack of twin markers. I put them in this, like, I don't know, this IKEA box thing for now. I try to keep them in the order of color so I could easily find them, but I definitely need to do a pen swatch test at some point in the near future, and I'll make sure I do a video for you guys so you guys can see. But there's lots of colors. I'm just trying to find the one that best matches up with this color scheme. And I think this one here in my hand is probably the best, but I'm going to try a few more just to see if there's anything else that is a little bit of a closer match. And honestly, not finding anything really better, I think. So let's try a few more. But I love having options. Having more colors to choose from definitely makes things better. I'm really looking forward to this layout. It's got that nice chillaxing vibe, which I'm really looking forward to starting out 2021. I hope that the year is much better than last year, as you all probably do. So I'm going to use my Check It Off stencil that I got from the Happy Planner and just use that to create some boxes. It's made specifically for the vertical layout so that you can kind of create boxes all the way down the vertical layout, but it does help to make kind of cleaner boxes here, and I just kind of move the stencil around as needed for my use on the horizontal. And originally I wasn't going to do everything all lined up, but I think I need to have it kind of lined up with this design. So we'll just keep everything super functional as far as lining up my checklist on one side, having that decor area more open for just whatever comes up throughout the week, and then any other little tidbits or focuses I can put there on the right hand side. And this video is a little bit slower than normal. Again, it didn't take very long to move those stickers over, so I didn't have much to show you guys. It's not the way I would like to start off the year, but again, I just really wanted to have something kind of settled and ready to go when I film this. It's been kind of a crazy December, so I just had it all set out and things went a little quicker than I had imagined. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And we will see you next time. Bye!